Hey guys, Jim from Rainwater Equipment here to talk to you today about our CM Booster 3-4 pump. We have this pump available actually in a 3.4 and a 3.5 for higher flows and pressures than you might get from the Grundfos MQ that you may be familiar with. This pump is 304 stainless steel. It's on demand. We actually put a controller on this pump that's also made by Grundfos so that it will be on demand. So whenever the flow stops in this pump, it will actually turn itself off. And then once you open the tap, it'll recognize the drop in pressure and it'll turn back on again. So the way I've got this thing set up is just with a 1,000-gallon poly tank here. You see I've got a flexible hose, and it will flood the pump with water, and you want to make sure you get water in the pump before you turn it on. There's also a port here that you can open with an Allen wrench if you want to take a funnel and a hose and put some water in that way. But you don't need to do that if you've already got it hooked up to a tank that's going to flood this thing. So that's the way I would recommend that you do it. So just for testing purposes, we have this hooked up to a garden hose, and I've got a pressure gauge on top as well, so we can see how much pressure we're getting. And all you have to do to make this pump work after you've flooded it from the water tank is just plug it in. And you'll see that it's already come on. I've got pressure building, and if we look out here at the end of our hose, it's going pretty well. Lots of pressure from our CM Booster 3-4. Like I said, we also offer a 3.5 that gives you a little higher flow rate. And here's the pump curve on this to give you some idea. So it'd be the middle curve on this particular pump that gives you, 4 gallons a minute at 70 something PSI, 8 gallons a minute at 70, 12 gallons a minute at 65 PSI at the discharge, all the way up to 20 something gallons per minute. You'll see it's a significantly higher flow and pressure pump than the MQ. So check us out at rainwaterequipment.com for all of your pump, UV system, and water tank needs.